This is brand new black iPhone 15. He is quite honestly most gorgeous phone I have ever seen. So let's unbox her. The last time Apple released phone were also disappointed with the color. But this one is in this gorgeous black with a really nice, grippy matte texture to it. And yes, we are finally USB-C on the iPhone. We also have a camera upgrade to 48 megapixels, and although this is not new to the iPhone 15, I love how customizable everything on your phone is. And obviously on the iPhone 15 we have the dynamic island, which I personally love.